You're halfway through an online exam. Your brain's foggy. You keep rereading the same question. Time's ticking and panic is rising. In this lecture, we will learn some fast, science-backed ways to hit reset in the middle of an exam. We're not talking about vague advice like just relax. You will also learn specific techniques, how to breathe, sit, and break your mental loop, so your brain stops spiraling and starts thinking again. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to use breathing and posture cues to reduce anxiety instantly. Apply quick reset techniques when your brain gets stuck. Build a 60-second routine to regain clarity mid-exam. Why you freeze mid-exam. Your brain doesn't freeze because it's weak. It freezes because it's overstimulated. Online exams make it worse. Bright screens, constant timers, silence around you, or noise if you're at home. Common signs you need a reset. You're staring at one question for too long. You feel mentally foggy or panicked. You start rushing even when you have time. You reread questions, but nothing sinks in. When that happens, stop. Don't push through. Reset first. The 60-second reset routine. Here's what to do in the middle of your exam without leaving your chair. Step 1. Hands off keyboard. Close your eyes. 5 seconds. Just stop. Let your fingers relax. Drop your shoulders. You're interrupting the stress loop. Step 2. Take 3 slow breaths, 15 seconds. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale for 4. Repeat 3 times. Each breath tells your nervous system, we're safe. We've got this. Step 3. Fix your posture, 10 seconds. Sit up straight. Uncross your legs. Feet flat on the floor. Rest your wrists lightly. This boosts blood flow and oxygen, exactly what your brain needs to reboot. Step 4. Look away from the screen, 10 seconds. Stare at a blank wall or object across the room. This gives your brain a break from digital overload. Step 5. Whisper one sentence to yourself, 5 seconds. Say it quietly, one question at a time. I know more than I think. Then go back in with calm focus. Add micro breaks strategically. If your exam is longer than 60-90 minutes, plan 2 to 3 mini resets. You don't need to leave your seat. Just blink slowly, 5 times, shake out your hands, sip water, recenter your breath. Do this after every 3 to 5 questions or every 25 minutes. Most importantly, don't wait until you're overwhelmed. Reset before your focus collapses. A grounding trick. When you're panicking. If you're spiraling, try this grounding technique. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, scan. 5 things you see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you like about yourself. It pulls your brain away from panic and back into the present. It's weirdly effective. Try it during a practice test. Exams are about clarity, not just knowledge. And sometimes, the best way to move forward is to pause. Your brain isn't a machine. It works best when you treat it like a teammate, check in, reset, and guide it back. The next time you freeze mid-exam, you'll know what to do. Breathe, reset, refocus.